This is Yanis. He's been living in the heart of Riga for about 10 years now. But his heart? Well, you can take the boy out of the country, but you can't take the country out of the boy, or however that saying goes. Living in the big city, Yanis quickly learned one thing. When you crave the true taste of home, you go to the market. Fresh cabbage, homemade pickles, fermented everything. Latvians really do have a jar for everything. That unmistakable sound of a good pickle. For Yanis, it triggers something, a memory he can't quite place.
Yanni!
And then it hits him.
Yanni!
Well, not physically. This raspberry jam
Yanni!
is definitely calling his name. Literally. He had always known that the best meals aren't found in restaurants. They're found in Grandma's kitchen.
Jānīti! Nāc!
Made and served with love you can actually taste. Some flavors are like preserved memories. They bring you home